If your drywall texture is peeling or flaking, you gotta fix it right away to keep your walls looking fresh and avoid bigger messes later. So first, grab a putty knife or scraper and gently remove all the loose texture bits. Don't just paint over that stuff because it'll peel again. Next, sand the edges where you scraped to smooth out the area so the new texture sticks good. Then, clean off the dust with a damp cloth and let it dry completely. When you're ready, pick a texture spray or brush-on texture that matches your wall style. There are tons at hardware stores, so ask if you need help finding one. Apply the texture evenly, but don't overdo it or your wall will look weird. Let that dry fully, which can take a few hours depending on humidity. After that, prime the patch spot so the paint sticks well, then paint it to match your wall color. Taking your time with each step is key to making your wall look like nothing ever happened. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall texture peeling is skipping the removal of loose texture. They just paint over it, which means the flakes come right back. Another common issue is not smoothing and cleaning the surface properly before reapplying texture. If there's dust or rough edges, the new layer won't bond well. Lastly, people often rush drying times or don't use primer before painting, so the patch looks obvious and peels again. Fix these by always scraping off loose texture thoroughly, sanding and wiping down the area clean, and letting everything dry fully before priming and painting. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle of searching around. It also helps contractors get connected with people who actually need their services, making the whole process easier and faster for everyone.